guys, happy Vlogmas day 12, 13, around, no, I think it's 13. Whew, I get so mixed up sometimes, but that's okay. So today I'm going to be making some fried chicken in my Salad Master. If you guys don't know what is a Salad Master, it's a cookware that you can purchase direct sales from a representative. It's not sold in stores, but it's very good, and it's a form of clean cooking. You okay, sister? So first thing I'm gonna do is just oil it with some olive oil. So it's really a good piece of cookware. The quality, it's top shape. I'm just gonna use these chicken that I got from Costco's, Foster Farms. I would prefer to buy not Foster Farm, but that's all they had. That's all they had there. Okay. So let me see. So for I'm just gonna not use too much oil. Sorry, so much noises, yeah. I'm not gonna use a lot of oil. And let me introduce myself. Hi, if you guys are new here, I'm Christilani, and today I'm just making some fried chicken. I'm all the way in Hawaii. Sometimes I forget to introduce myself. I always forget. But in these packs, you get 3 pieces of chicken. It comes with 3 pieces, 3 of these 2 pieces. It comes with 3 of these. So there's 6 altogether. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Costco, so maybe I'll do a vlog in Costco's tomorrow. Okay, so we got 6 pieces there. Let me I'm washing my hand again. So right now I'm just gonna season it. So I'm just gonna put pepper and garlic, salt. Chicken and stuff, that's all you really need. So I got it on 250. For this pan here, it cooks really fast. And then you don't need too much oil. Like if you're really cooking fried chicken, you don't need a whole bunch of oil for this one. The chicken, I just seasoned it like that. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside here. It's oiled. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make some rice for my son. I'll probably eat this with some salad. But for right now, I'm just gonna cover it. And then we're gonna leave it in there for 6 minutes. I'm gonna come back and check it. It was over 6 minutes. Let's go and turn it. Yeah, I think because it's lower, so I'm just gonna leave it in longer. It's better than like cooking it in all that vegetable oil and stuff like that, yeah? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. I know this is all I got for today. Just cooking my dinner. Looking good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat dinner. Maybe I just might take you guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video, but this might be the end of it, or I may take you guys to Costco tomorrow and then use that as my vlog for tomorrow. For Sunday. Aloha, good morning, guys. So I'm making my video from last night to today. That's gonna be one of my Vlogmas. So I've noticed that when I moved in here, there's like little ants that's coming in. Well, hold on. Right there, that little ants right there. So I've noticed that they're coming into my house. So my niece looked online, and I'm gonna try and use lemon just because it's non-toxic. So I'm gonna try and use some lemon and juice and put it in the front door, and then I'm gonna do some of the zest, braid that and put that in the yard just to see if that works, because we looked online and that's what it said it can be used for, or vinegar, or but I'm gonna just use this for now. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this. It's a juice thingy. I never did use this kind of juice stuff before, but let's see how it's gonna be going. So I'll just be using 2 lemons for now, and I'm gonna put that in the front door. Because one thing I hate is if it's gonna go on Nevaeh's food and stuff. That's the worst. So I got this much. To use the lemon because the vinegar will have a smell in the front yard. I don't want to have a stinky smell. So now with the now I'm gonna grade this part and then put that in the yard. So, and thank you to my friend for this. I am actually using it right now. It is a good one. Okay. I decided to not do like a lemon zest. That's gonna take forever, but I'm gonna go and put it into my chopper. Maybe it'll chop it small enough that it's gonna be biodegradable anyway. It'll just, you know, it's not like it's rubbish in the yard. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try that. I have to go. I'm starting up physical therapy again for 2 hours, and I gotta go in a half an hour. It's called work conditioning. That's why it's 2 hours. I guess after you have a surgery, you go to physical therapy, and then you do work conditioning, and then there's another one that you do for 4 hours. But that's how lemon makes me feel. But you know, I did a video about the lihing powder, but there's also lihing moi seeds. There's also seeds. I'll show you that. There's also red himoy. This one is it's a seed, if you see that, and that's good for sore throat too. You just pop that in the lemon, and this is a product of Taiwan, so maybe you can find it in the Asian area, but I know my niece and sister, they live in the mainland, they can't find it, so I'm not too sure. That's why we send it to them. But yeah, it's the same thing as the powder, but for the powder, you can always use that for daiquiris. If you drink, you put it around the rim. Um, they use it a lot. You can even put that in your gummy bears, the powder. You mix it with something, put it in your gummy bears, anything. It tastes really good. So you got the sweet and the sour. So this is the sweet, salty, and the sour, and it goes good together. Alrighty, so let me go and try and grind up this lemon. This. And then let's see, hopefully it doesn't break it. Oh. So that's what it's looking like. I'm just gonna put that in the yard. Okay, let's go cut some more. I don't know if that's going to be a lot, but so I just like sprinkled that like in the yard a little bit. Don't know if it's gonna work yet, but I'm hoping it does because I don't want to put no chemicals because of Nivea. So hopefully that'll work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready to go to my physical therapy. I haven't been there for over October. Hi baby, you okay? I haven't been there for a few months. What you doing? Oh, she doesn't want to be on camera today. I don't know what's going on. Hi, are you okay? Alright, I'm gonna go get ready for physical therapy, okay?